What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Daily Hustle TV. So in my last video which I did on news and taker, I did a video on how to register and also on how to do your daily signing. So but in today's video I will be showing you on how to do the new end taker, how to do their daily quiz, and also on how to do their tax, so that you can also earn some tokens for yourself. So you are new to the channel, can you subscribe to the channel and also like this video and also share this with your friends and family, so that you can also benefit from this project. So now let's get started guys. So now we have done all this project, all these tasks here, which is to complete all the tasks. So these are the next tasks you have to complete it. So for the purpose of this video I will be completing this task here, which is the join the wide quiz. So you complete this quiz here, which is the last part here. I also complete this one which is here. I'll complete this one too. So I'll be taking you through on how to complete in this video. So make sure you stick to this video to the end, so that you can also do this by yourself without any intermediary. I hope you understand. So now I'm going to straightforward, so that I will show you how to do the daily quiz and the answer, so that you can also solve yours the way I'm also doing mine now. So this is the last quiz here to perform now. So this is the quiz here now. So on this answer of this quiz, so the answer will be like, you see, this is the question here, which is what did Michael Saylor give in his weekend post regarding Bitcoin. So what he gives is that it's going to hint another Bitcoin purchase another. So that is the answer, which is B for the quiz. So when you click on this verify, it's going to verify your answer is correct, you understand. So you can see I've completed the task. So the next one here, which is the another quiz to complete here. So now this is which fast food chain will accept Bitcoin at all locations starting by May 16. So in this video I'm releasing this video which is on May, today is May 17. So yesterday was May 16. So the answer is what? Stick and bake. So that is the answer. So the next one, which is what does the US Senate Cynthia Lummis claims about the US buying Bitcoin? So the answer is that, so the first one, which is to increase the national VAT. So the answer is that it will put, the answer is B, which is it could potentially cut the national debt in half. So that is the answer for that quiz. So you can also do your own research. You can copy the text from your Sowing Taker and take it to Google. So that is the answer for that. So the last one, so this one is one of the quiz you want to know you are in the crypto space. So this one you're saying that what was the price of Bitcoin when it first reached $1 in February 2011? So the answer is B, which is 0.3 cents. 0.3 cents. So that is the answer, which is B. So just go ahead and complete the answer. So once you are done, you click on this verify. So once you click on the verify, you are good to go. So now I've verified it. So I've completed the task, which is down here. So I can go ahead and complete other tasks. Now. So this task here is showing us I should hold 0.001 BTB token. So I'll leave that one for now. So that one need an transaction for that. So let's check this one. I just completed that last one. So let me see another quiz which I can do. So this now you should to follow them on X. You follow them on X, and once you have verified it, you will also get another of their tokens. I hope you understand. So I'll do that right now. So once I'm done, I'm going to verify it and I'll be getting their tokens. I hope you understand. So and you can also check other tasks. If you haven't completed it, you can also check other tasks and complete them before the listing. So on the news which I hear, they will be listing very soon. I don't want anybody to miss out on it. I hope you understand. So you can also check the other tax. So for this, to hold BTCB, you can check on any exchange and transfer BTCB to your wallet so that I can use to verify it. I hope you understand. I use to verify it. So once you are done with that, you are good to go. So now I've completed the social tax here, which is the follow them on X. So once you are done, you are good to go. So you can also check the other tax here. You can check the other tax, which is your tax here. So you can also complete the rest here. I hope you understand. So I'm done with the tax. The main tax there is only to deposit 001 of BTB. So if you have it, you can also deposit it and also claim it. I hope you understand. So to copy your reference, you come to this participate here. You copy it right here. So it's going to show copy to clipboard. I hope you understand. So to copy your ref link here, you see it here, which is the participate now. So and you copy it, you paste it to you copy it here, you can share it to your friends. I hope you understand. And don't forget to also sign in every 3 hours to claim your tokens every day. And I'll also be dropping the quiz answer in the description below so that you can also start